Tip 1. This is how you repair your credit for cheap. My backstory. My credit was so bad, I couldn't even get a pack of gum with it. Okay? So, yeah, my credit was 527. Yeah, it was bad. Real bad. But here's the good news. I signed up with a company called Kickoff. And now my credit is 623. So please sign up with my code and we both will get $30 worth of credit, statement credit. So it'll be helping me out and be helping you out. And you can sign up for as low as $5, but don't be cheap because I got rewarded by doing the ultimate, which is $35 a month. It's worth it. It was 93 points. It's worth it. But if you only have the $5, that's all right. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks and humor.